All right, Lara. That bridge is swarming with guards.
Great. Any ideas?
It'll be tricky, but you can probably make your way across underneath.
I was afraid you were going to say that.
Don't worry. I'll be covering you the whole way. Lara, I've got them in my sight.
Here goes.
What the hell is going on down there? You think they got the outsider?
Don't worry. If they didn't, she'll come to us.
Father Matthias will send us to the Oni if we don't find her.
Only if we fail and do. Or something.
What the?
Who's shooting? Watch out!
I thought I lost you, girl. Are you okay?
That was too close.
I don't see him. Look for the muzzle flash! He's in the cliff shrine!
Stop! Don't move! They'll see you! Wait!
I can't get a shot!
Go now! Stop! Hold it! Almost got him! Move! Stop! Wait! Wait! Lara, I think you're clear.
Thanks for the cover. I think that makes us even.
Lara, look out!
I'll break this girl's neck! Surrender!
They went over! Is she dead? I don't know, I can't see. There she is!
Lara, there's too many of them! Get out of there!
There she is!
Lara, there's too many of them! Get out of there!
I'm heading in.
Are you sure about this, Lara?
I'll get them. I'll come back. I promise.
to me now. Out in the world, we were nothing. But here we are the Solari, the Sun Queen's children. She brought us here for a reason. I know you want your freedom. I know you want to escape this place. But to do so, we must release our queen. Like us, she is a prisoner. If we can free her, we free ourselves. This girl, she carries the blood of this land. She could be the key. The ritual of flames will show us the truth. Himiko, you are the first and the last. Speak to us now!
You killed our brother! Now I'm gonna kill you! This is for Vladimir, outsider!
Enough! Dmitri, Nikolai, bring her to me. Every creature in nature will turn and fight when its very survival is at stake. So don't think I don't understand you, girl. I've just been doing this a lot longer. Ready yourself, brothers! Our queen is about to speak! Speak to us, Himiko! Speak to us through the flame!
So sorry. Just look at me. Look at me, okay?
She's the one. Soon, my brothers, we will be reborn. Take her to the throne room. Your fight is over.
I can't see the body. I don't think she survived the war. Let's get down there. Come on.
Some kind of natural gas. Probably flammable.
Every new brother is assigned a job, a purpose in the Solari. As long as Matthias continues to prove his spiritual connection to the Sun Queen, they will fall in line and believe. Initiation to the Brotherhood is brutal. We need to destroy their humanity so that they in turn can be inhumane. New recruits are thrown into the depths of the caverns and left to starve and fend for themselves for days, sometimes weeks. Those who make it out alive are welcomed with open arms. I still can't explain what kind of power Matthias has tapped into, but I don't care anymore. We're never getting off this goddamn island. Some days, I'm convinced we're all in hell already. God knows with the things we've done, we might as well be.
That's what this place is. Matthias thinks Himiko's spirit is keeping us here. That's not possible. It's not possible. But he's so beyond crazy that maybe he's come right back round to some kind of sane. The helicopter isn't our way off. You know that, Lara, in your gut. I have to warn the others. If we board it, we're dead.
Don't struggle too much. And hope they kill you fast.
Oh, God. No. It's horrible.
Looks to be early 18th century. I remember black silk fans were used when conducting funeral rites for nobles.
Stay away! This is my
If it's loose, let's just leave it for the next ship.
Hey, don't take too long down there. Finish the game.
Yeah.
What if the unholy ones figure out how to ignite that shit?
Shit. All right, all right. I hate that place.
Look, I'll go check it out. You can stay here.
Thanks, brother.
Hey! We got a problem! Get down here! All right, you bastards. I'm gonna punish you for this.
Hey, watch it, you're fucking up the board.
Relax. You're losing anyway. God damn it, not again.
I got it.
What?
Need help! What's going on down here? Keep firing! She's shooting at us! Got it!
Alicia, honey, I didn't want to write this, but if I don't do it now, I might not have another chance. Your mama got herself into some trouble And I might have to be gone for a very long time. I don't know when or if you'll ever read this, but I want you to know I fought for you. Everything I did in my life was for you. All the time away, all the money I saved, all the sacrifices. I'm sorry for everything you're gonna have to go through without me. If I don't make it back, find Conrad Roth. You've never met him, but he's the best man I've ever known, and he's your father. You have his eyes. You're the light of my life, and I love you more than anything.
Fan made for a special occasion. Probably a wedding. Doesn't look older than a few years.
Forgot about the smell.
It's quiet. I don't think she's down here. Maybe we should just leave.
Come on, we have to be sure. Let's search the pit.
Hey, what's going on down there?
Oh, hey, Nikolai sent us down. We're here on order. Some of the enforcers told us we didn't actually talk to him. He wants one of the prisoners. The new one they just brought in.
All right, show me. And then we'll bring him up to Nikolai together.
Yeah, sure.
Sun Queen. These new servants submit themselves before you. With voices we praise you. With hearts we honor you. With fire we are bound to you. You are the sun. You are the light. You are the storm that rages at night. We are your children. Wait for the day. Bring us the dawn. Show us the way. Your place is now among the Solari brothers. Raise your voices!
19th century folded fans were often inscribed with poems or accounts of important events.
The years pass and I now hear her whispers in my sleep. It is the Sun Queen. She is urging me on. I see her magnificent face with every sunrise. Soon now. My Solari toil in her name, building a city from all that she has brought to the island, torturing and sacrificing in her name. Soon now, we will find the one. I long for escape, but not simply from this island. From all of this, the wrecks, bodies, and squalor. If I can bring my queen back, it will all vanish in an instant. And like the sun rising anew, she will bathe all the land and seas with her light, burning away everything. I will emerge from this scorched earth, reborn and pure.
of a bitch! When I get out of here, I'm gonna shove one of those arrows right up your ass!
This one's got a temper.
Hey, don't rile them up. We're working here. Goddamn idiot.
This cage is kind of overkill.
Since the old man busted out, we didn't take any chances.
Get over here! Get... Yeah! Damn!
Badass, Lara. Yeah. How the hell did you get in here?
I had some help.
Gramp?
Yes. He didn't make it.
Shit!
I didn't think anything could take that guy down.
He went out swinging. Gave me a chance to get to you. Look, there's a rescue helicopter on its way. I know they're keeping Sam separately. Have you seen Whitman?
Guess he didn't make it to the guest rooms.
Mr. Showbiz probably weaseled an upgrade.
We'll find him. And Sam too. But we're not gonna do anything from up here.
I'll find a way to get you out.
All right, let's try to loosen this thing up. Come on, guys, again.
Okay, ready? Jump!
It's no use, Reyes.
Ready? Jump!
Lara, there's some weird shit going on here.
We heard them talking about a sun swim.
Sun Queen, the ancient ruler of Yamatai.
You gotta be kidding me. You mean, this is Yamatai?
Yes, it would appear so.
Well, ain't that something? We found the damn place after all.
This wasn't what we expected.
Hold on to something!
Understatement of the year.
I did it!
Oh yeah! Yes! Woo!
All right! Great job, Lara.
This place is becoming unstable. The floor is starting to buckle.
Don't worry about it, Lara. Just get us out of here.
You're doing great. Jump over. We'll keep the cage steady.
See you all again.
Okay, now what?
The other kind of weight. It's right down over there.
You're on the right track.
Look down, man. We lost all the fucking floors.
We gotta get out of this thing.
Oh crap, this is bad.
Lara, you be careful out there.
Watch where you stand. This thing's falling apart.
Sounds like the whole mountain is different.
Whatever you're gonna do, do it fast.
Lara, get your ass in here. Get us out of here. Look, there's daylight on the other side. Could be a way out of here.
set up a rendezvous point back across the bridge. The chopper's gonna be here soon.
Lara's still looking for Sam and Whipple.
No one leaves. That's what I heard in Japanese before the plane crashed. The ritual from Himiko's tomb. Why is Matthias so interested in it?
We got people dropping to one tower. Let's move!
Lara, you're alive.
So are you. I mean, are you okay? What happened?
Once they stopped seeing me as a threat, they let me move about almost freely.
Did you know the others were captured?
Yes. Sam's in there, but I couldn't free her without a weapon. These Solari are an anthropological marvel, Lara.
They're insane murderers, Dr. Whitman. We need to get our people out of here.
Of course. I'll keep a lookout here. You call me when it's safe.
I don't think you understand. You have been chosen, Samantha. This is a great honor for you. For all of us. Some were beginning to doubt we'd ever find you. But here you are.
Please. I know you think I'm something special. But I'm not. I don't want to be chosen.
This is not about what you want. It's about what you are. Himiko's blood runs in your veins. I think you know this, Samantha.
You're insane, Matthias! Why are you doing this?
You're searching for logic and reason where there is none. I made the same mistake once. Back when I thought ships could reach us and planes wouldn't fall from the sky.
I just want to go home.
So do I, girl. I've waited years for this moment. I've given my life. Don't you think I've tried to get away from here? From this place? We're all trapped here. But you, Samantha, you have the power to release us. Many have given up their souls willingly for this gift.
The fires are getting worse. The other girl's vanished.
This must be ended. Dimitri, guard her with your life.
Lara! Oh my god, you're here! I was beginning to think I was going crazy.
It's okay. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. My weapons.
How are we ever going to get out of here?
We need to leave before he comes back.
Whitman! Whitman! Where the hell is he?
Run, Lara, run!
Get down!
Run! Back into the throne room!
Keep going, Sam! I'll find another way out!
There!
Someone get around her!
could do? Time to die. I'm coming for you. You're mine. Keep firing.
Go! All of you! Find the chosen one! This one is mine! I've been waiting for you, girl! No hiding now. I'm gonna fucking kill you, child! Oh shit!